Hi everyone, today I'm here with an unboxing and try-on of the Hermes men's Cavaclade t-shirt, which is part of the Spring Summer 22 collection. Alright, so here is the shirt. Let me stand up and put it on me so you can get a little bit of a better view. So as you can see, it is a solid navy blue. I believe the color is carbone. On the left of the shirt, you can see the horses galloping. And if I turn the shirt, that design goes all the way around to the back as well. So give me one moment, I will go put it on. All right, I obviously have the shirt on. I am typically a medium in Hermes shirts, and this is a medium and it fits quite nicely. It is a little bit loose, which is what I prefer. So let me go turn it around. So the t-shirt is 100% cotton, feels nice and soft. It is something that you can wash in the laundry, just be very gentle with it. I would not recommend putting it in the dryer, definitely hang dry. I've done this with my Hermes shirts for many seasons, haven't had any problems, so it should be pretty good. So the color, I said that was carbon, that is not correct. It is actually Encre, yes, which is this navy blue right here. So as I mentioned, this is part of the Spring Summer 2022 collection, and it retails for $500. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time.